Hello, welcome to Bonneville's Energy Efficiency Tracking System Training. Today, we're going to walk through how to bulk upload applications into the system. Make sure you're ready, logged into BEETS, and let's get started. Before I go into the system, I want to touch on the two ways to enter applications into BEETS. Bulk upload, which I'll talk about today, and manual entry. Which method you will use is based on the program you're putting applications into. As you can see below, 5 programs use the bulk upload tool. UES measures, non-residential lighting, custom projects option 2, non-reportables, and the BPA managed programs, which is done by BPA only. The rest of the programs go in through manual entry. So let's get into the system and see how bulk uploading works. Now I'm already logged into BEETS. Hopefully you are too. The dashboard you might see could be blank, like this one, or you might have a main dashboard already set up with budget and savings. We would like to add the bulk upload tool to this dashboard. To do so, you'll want to click on the cogwheel that's here on the right underneath the profile picture. When you click on the cogwheel, you'll see Add Dashboard. Click on it. A window will open, and at the top, you can add the name of the dashboard. Today, we're doing the bulk upload dashboard. You can set it to be visible automatically, and you can also set it as your default dashboard. Right now, our default dashboard is the main budget and savings page. So we're going to leave that there. You want to click Add Widget, and in type, you want to search for Application Bulk Uploader. If you do not have this on your drop-down list, please notify BPA so we can get it added. So you click on that and you can give it another title, whatever you'd like to call it, and say Save. Now, as you can see, when we added that dashboard, it took the place of the main dashboard by moving over here. If you'd like to reorder those back to the way it started, you can return to the cogwheel and use these bars to move them around. So I'm going to move that main dashboard back to the top. There we go. Now we've got the main dashboard first and the bulk upload next. Once you've added your bulk upload tool to the dashboard, you're ready to upload your file. You'll select your utility from this dropdown. Now, only utilities you're associated with will be on this list. Currently, I'm in testing, so I have many utilities on this list. Going to select our testing utility. Then you would select the program. As noted at the beginning, these are the 4 programs for which you can use the bulk upload tool. I'm going to select UES measures. Now, you want to browse your files and choose your file to upload. Going to choose that file and say upload. Once the file has uploaded into the system, you'll get a confirmation that your file has been queued for processing. BEETS processes this file queue approximately 2 to 3 times a day, so our suggestion is to return to the system the next day to review your applications. An important note on uploading. If you happen to attempt to upload the same file in a session, you will see an error. I'm going to show you that error now. If I click on our utility again, the Bonneville Expedition, I choose UES measures again, and then I select the same file and attempt to upload it. You will see an error come up that says file upload failed. This is the system recognizing that you have attempted to upload the same file twice. If you believe this is incorrect, please reach out to BPA. Otherwise, this is likely you are attempting to upload the same file. You'll want to X out here and try with a new file. This concludes the BPA demonstration on how to upload a file to BEETS. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your ear or to the BPA systems team. Thank you.